Hey everyone, Laser Dave here. I always wondered what would happen if you took laser foil, wrapped it around a tumbler, and then stuck it into the laser machine and engraved it. Let's find out together.
Let's dive into how you can use colored metallic laser engravable foil, or laser foil, to create a unique effect on a powder-coated tumbler. First up, let's talk about applying this foil. Now this material is pretty stiff. It doesn't stretch or flex much, so wrapping it around a curved surface like a tumbler, not the easiest task. No matter how much I pressed, stretched, or even worked it with a squeegee, there were few stubborn wrinkles left behind. But hey, no worries. I'll just trim off the excess and keep going because that's the fun part about experimenting. You roll with it and see what happens. With the tumbler all wrapped up, it's time to load it into the laser using the rotary attachment and get to work. I'll be using my Speedy 145-watt laser, and the plan? A full 360-degree wrap with a floral design engraved right through the foil and powder coating. Let's see what this baby can do. The goal is to create this amazing green metallic reflective effect across the entire tumbler. And because I never like to start small, I'm going all in on this first attempt. No holding back with a full wrap. For settings, I'm running 100% power, 40% speed, that's about 44 inches per second, or 1,100 millimeters per second at 500 dpi. I cleaned off the residue using Blū, the powder coating residue remover from Enduramark, and wow, the final results are really encouraging. Sure, you can still see a few wrinkles here and there, but the overall finish is super cool. This process definitely shows some potential. Now, while this first attempt was exciting, I'm going to dial it back a bit and try something more realistic. For the next test, I used a partial sheet of red metallic laser foil, covering only about 1/3 of the tumbler. This time, I'm engraving a simple black and white ornament design. Right away, I can tell this approach is much more practical. It was way easier to keep wrinkles at bay with a smaller sheet of foil, and the result looks seamless. Once the engraving is done, I grabbed the blue cleaner and a soft brush to gently clean off the excess residue. This method works like a charm. The cleaner doesn't affect the foil and leaves behind a glorious shine. Then I peeled off the excess foil surrounding the graphic. Fun fact, it's super easy to remove the excess laser foil right after application, but over time, the foil bonds permanently and becomes much more durable. And this result? Absolutely stunning. The metallic red reflective shine pops beautifully against the engraved black powder coating, creating a unique three-tone effect that honestly rocks. Here's another tumbler I did with silver laser foil. I've already hand washed it 3 times, and there's no change in the look or durability. This process shows a ton of promise. Now I can't say for sure how long this quality will last, but I'm optimistic this could be a very viable technique. So give it a try and let me know what you think. All the links for the design files and materials I used in this video are in the description below. And don't forget to follow me. This is my new Laser Dave channel. I've got so much more to share. See you in the next video.